guys, G-Rock, we're back with another video, and today we are going to be showing you guys some slime that me and her have made. I made 3 of them. Wait, 1, 2, yeah. I made 3 of them, and she's made 2. Alright, so, you ready? Yeah. What's the first one? The worst one. Yeah. So the worst one that we have is right here. Wait, put these. Alright, so this is the worst one that I made. It's blue. Like, should I put music in the background? But it's just that the TV's going. My mom's watching it, so the Bruno Mars concert. I wish I could have been there. So my family's in there. It's like clicky a little bit, but your fingers go through it. So that's alright. So let's go on to the next one. Oh God! Hurry, get it! It's soaked into the carpet. Now he's just jiggling. Okay, the next one we're going to be showing is mine because that's the second least one. No, wait, that is. I think the purple one is. What do you think is the best one? Is it the purple one? Yeah. Well, this one is like maroonish purple. Don't know if you can see it. But this one's really good. Like, click it. I have too much of it. This was a little sticky if you grab it by your hand. And I'm going to try to make a slime bubble with it. Like here. Wait. Oh. You like touch it. That doesn't work though because it's like too glossy. This is glossy slime. You make glossy slime. Yeah, you can't make a slime bubble with it, but I don't know what slime is. I rate that one like a 2 out of 10. I rate this one like a 7. No, I rate that one like a 6. I rate this one, this blue one. I rate this a 6.5. The blue one that went everywhere. I give that one like a 3. Like a 3 or 4. Alright, that one's okay. This one's 6. Like a 6.5. Alright, so then let's show them this one. Okay, and then that one. Yeah, and then because that one's first. This is the one. This one that she made. Yeah, this one is the one I made. There's another one over there, but and then she also made this. They're technically the same. Yeah, they're basically the same thing. Oh. Oh, that doesn't. And we can make slime bubbles with it. Okay, you can. Oh no. Yeah, it's like poppy, but it's kind of hard. It's really stretchy though. Dough. Oh yeah, we got glasses. It's kind of. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, if you get glasses, don't be afraid because it's like. Oh, look, there's a ghost. You don't even look at it. Keep that there. I want it. Oh, you have to. There it is. No, you can put it in there. Congratulations. Okay. Oh God. Come on, I wanna do that. My mom's watching the Bruno Mars concert right now, so Bruno fan. Yeah, that was really poppy, but this one is better. This one is the best. Show them the best. So it's teal. It's it landed. It was like that. So this one is the best. It's stretchy. It's sticky. Alright, I'm gonna go show them to the camera what it's like. So this one's my slime,
and it was first a clear, and then I just put blue glitter into it, and then it made it all blue.
Oh! Okay, so if you poke it, then
We gotta take it
out like.
Oh, but you gotta go fast.
Okay, go show them
I'm gonna go show them off.
because it's moving.
And here is a look at it, but it's all blurry, so yeah, it's about to leak on the up. Okay.